Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Jillian Travels. In today's video, we're diving into one of Canada's most spectacular natural wonders, the Takakkaw Falls. Located in Yoho National Park in British Columbia, Takakkaw Falls is a must-see for nature lovers. This majestic waterfalls plunges 373 meters, making it one of the highest waterfalls in North America. The name Takakkaw comes from the Cree language meaning magnificent, and it truly lives up to its name.
Wow, look at the rainbow. Oh, wow.
The falls are fed by the daily glacier, which provides a constant flow of the glacial melt water. And this is the parking area, so you can go all the way over there. And this is the entrance. Restroom facilities are available near the parking area. These are basic but functional and are usually open during summer season. So there's a little bit of walk here. It's not that far, but as you walk, you can really hear the roaring waterfalls there, over there. Throughout the area, you'll find signs providing information about Takakkaw Falls, including details about its formation, the daily glacier, and the surrounding ecosystem. The area around the falls is also perfect for photography. Be sure to bring your camera and capture the sheer power and beauty of the cascading water. Takakkaw Falls is sometimes described as having a horsetail shape due to the way the water cascades over the cliff. For the best experience, head to the Viewpoint at the base of the waterfalls. The view is absolutely mesmerizing, and you'll feel the mist from the powerful cascade. Remember to wear sturdy shoes as the path can be slippery. The ideal time to visit Takakkaw Falls is during summer months, from late June to early October. During this period, the road is open and the waterfall is at its most impressive due to the snow melt from the surrounding mountains. Winter visits are not recommended due to the road closure and potential hazards from the snow and ice. While we were in the area, we were surprised by this little guy coming down from the cliff and trying to cross the river. This is really nice, guys. There are designated areas where visitors can enjoy the picnic. And there are some tables and benches allowing you to take in the natural beauty while you are eating. Before you visit, remember to check the weather and road conditions as the access road to Takakkaw Falls is often closed during winter months. That's it for today's adventure at Takakkaw Falls. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest travel destinations. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you visited Takakkaw Falls yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.